Changing the language in an app can enhance your user experience by allowing you to navigate in your preferred language. Follow these simple steps to change the language in the X app. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the X app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account if required. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Find language options. Scroll through the settings menu until you find an option labeled language or language and region. Select this option to proceed. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. A list of available languages will appear. Browse through the list and tap on the language you wish to use. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, look for Save or Confirm button and tap it to apply the changes. The app may restart or refresh to display the new language. Now you can enjoy using the X app in your chosen language. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the app's help section for further assistance.